Have you ever wondered about the benefits of drinking rosemary tea daily? Imagine sipping on a common herb that carries a bouquet of potential health benefits, tucked away within its fragrant leaves. Rosemary tea, a humble yet potent brew, may just surprise you. It's more than just a flavorful addition to your kitchen, it's a wellness powerhouse waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready for a revelation? Stay tuned as we unveil the 7 reasons why you should consider incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine. Dive into the world of rosemary tea with us as we reveal its 7 impressive benefits. First in line, let's talk about brain health. Rosemary tea has been linked to improved memory and concentration. It's like a natural brain booster, stimulating cognitive activity and preventing the onset of cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's. Next up is digestion. Ever had a bloated feeling after a heavy meal? Rosemary tea can be your savior. It aids in digestion by stimulating the release of bile, which helps in breaking down food particles. This helps in reducing gas, bloating, and even the discomfort of constipation. The third reason is all about immunity. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary tea is a natural fortress for your immune system. It helps your body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, keeping you healthy and robust. Moving on to the 4th reason, stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, who doesn't need a little calm? Rosemary tea offers just that. Its aroma alone can help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Now let's touch upon hair health, our 5th reason. Did you know that rosemary tea can help stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss? Yes, it can. It improves circulation to the scalp, ensuring your hair follicles get the nutrients they need. Coming to the 6th reason, skin health. Rosemary tea is a treasure trove of antioxidants that help protect your skin cells from damage. It helps in reducing inflammation, improving skin tone, and even fighting off acne. It's like a natural spa treatment for your skin. And finally, the 7th reason, respiratory benefits. Ever felt congested during a cold? A cup of rosemary tea can help. It has antispasmodic properties that can soothe the respiratory tract, helping you breathe easier. It's like a breath of fresh air in every cup. Quite impressive, isn't it? But wait, there's more to this herb than meets the eye. Beyond these 7 reasons, rosemary tea holds a special place in traditional medicine. For centuries, societies around the globe have relied on this fragrant herb for its therapeutic properties. It's been a staple in folk remedies, used for everything from soothing upset stomachs to enhancing memory and concentration. The beauty of rosemary tea lies not just in its versatility, but also its accessibility. It's as simple as steeping a few sprigs in hot water, and voila, you have a potent brew. Rosemary tea, a simple yet potent brew. Now that you know the secrets of rosemary tea, it's time to make it a part of your daily life. This refreshing brew is not just beneficial, it's also easy to prepare. Just steep some rosemary leaves in hot water, let it sit for a few minutes, and voila, your aromatic cup of goodness is ready. With its pleasant taste and calming aroma, rosemary tea is a delight to consume. So why wait? Start your day with a cup of rosemary tea. Unearth the power of nature with rosemary tea. Your body and mind will thank you.